In response to recent Okta breaches, it's essential to take the security of your organization into your own hands. That is why Beyond Identity has released the Okta Defense Kit, 2 free Okta tools to keep you secure. Let's take a look at the Okta Session Analyzer. This tool helps you determine if you were impacted by the Okta breaches that have already occurred or could occur in the future. This is a Python tool for a detailed analysis and security monitoring of Okta event logs, designed to identify and alert on anomalous activities indicative of security threats. In this case, the analyzer scanned all Okta event logs and found 12 suspicious sessions. Every session is identified by the session ID and the suspicious activity detected. The Okta Session Analyzer looks for high-frequency push MFA requests, a delegate IDP configuration change, multiple user agents, or fast travel activity detected. All of these can be indicators of security threats. Protect yourself and download the Okta Session Analyzer today.